Here you go. The streets are flooding. I said hurricane that's hanging off the coast. I'm telling you. This is light right now. It was coming down so hard. What would W.C. Fields say? It's not a fit night out for man nor beast. Oh, wow. Holy mackerel, that wind switches up. That's thunder clapping out there. Really strange sounding thunder. It's you can see it's slightly breezy. This is just flooded. Those are street lights, not UFOs. It ain't the mothership come to get me again. Crime Night just put up another fantastic pro-US, pro-United States video. I suggest you get over there. Check out Crime Night on YouTube. Joe is a phenomenal person. He's one of the United States allies and ex-military. Wonderful guy, stand-up guy. And this whole Second Amendment thing is breaking his heart. It's literally breaking this guy's heart. And he's all the way on the other side of the world, and he can't understand how Americans are letting this abuse take place. So I'm not going to spoil it. He did such a good video. That video is excellent. Excellent. Crime Night. YouTube. Tell them TPH sent you. Joe's one of my favorite. Crime Night's one of my favorite sites. With good reason. They don't believe that though. They come out here and smoke like old tires on fire. Oh man, I'm getting wet. There's a drain that's clogged. You can hear it. It's the one in the street. You can hear it bubbling. Oh, I'm getting soaked. I ain't stupid. I'm dumb. Well, that's it. Have a good night, folks.